the matter with me? It's driving me crazy. Don't you think I know what needs food? Don't you think I know he'll die if I don't feed him soon? Don't you think I know? Don't you think I'm trying to give him somehow, some way, someone?
What's the big deal about a little plant food? I think running this place all by yourself is a little too much for you. When did Mr. Murphy take you that?
Huh?
You know, and I know he loves you. I wonder if he's going to Christmas house then.
Czechoslovakia, right? He killed me on a very long time. Say, Audrey, can I ask you something? Well, suppose for a minute that there'd never been an Audrey, too. That was just nothing again. Nobody. Would you still like me?
I still love you, Seymour.
Then it's settled.
What's settled?
And bullets. And rat poison. And... Oh, there's a machete in here. Tomorrow morning, right after Life magazine takes our picture, you know who bites the dust.
Seymour?
Right. They'll snap the photo. We'll be famous. I'll take that TV job. We'll live a nice, quiet, normal life together. No more night feedings. No more squalling for blood.
Seymour, what feeding? What blood? I don't get it. Bullets? Knives and rat poison? You're scaring me.
There's nothing to be afraid of. We'll run away together. I'll take you to that world development you always dreamed about. Once you're there, we'll happily ever after. Nice little house, nice little car out front, and no plants at all.
Acting so peculiar, Seymour.
I'll explain everything here tomorrow. Just go home now, Audrey.
Well, I can't leave you in this condition.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about anything.
Hey, feed me.
Under no circumstances.
Feed me.
I will not, so stop asking.
Pay the food that don't feed me.
You can't take much more of this. Look, I'll run down to the corner and get you some rare roast beef. Maybe that'll hold you till Life magazine gets here.
No way.
Look, it's my last offer, yes or no?
I guess it's better than nothing.
Done. Fine, great. Don't think you're getting any dessert.
Just stupid, lousy Poindexter.
What was that?
Nothing.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you better walk away.
Couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex. Those voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who's that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour! Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me,
Oh my God!
your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe this.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Are you kidding?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water, in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I could.
Hey, little lady, very nice.
Want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Oh, your branches, they're so dry. What's in?
Don't need no glass and no more.
I'll give a can.
Don't need no twist of lime. And now it's supper time. Relax, sweetheart, it'll be easier. Don't use that expensive bullshit. The road inside.
Audrey, you all right?
Yes? No.
Don't die, Audrey. I need you. Please don't die. did it. I fed them to it.
That's what you do. Big and strong. You're so bad.
I've done terrible things. But not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me the payette so that I can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve. If I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together.
Don't worry about anything, Audrey.
You